Welcome to my channel, Raw Atalawi Fitness, Healthwell Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sports.
Basket. Green. Ugai kay Legacy. Pass to Garcia Morrey. 3 points. Well drop away the ball. Bigay kay La Peña. Pass to Carpio. 10 on the shot block. Carpio with the ball. Carpio on the drive, kick out pass to Traqueña, 5 on the shot block. Traqueña with the side, saving Melb. Castro, naked. Quadrado with the ball. Yeah, still. Boyga drives! What a drive! Now Legacy on the attack. Legacy drives, second. Nakakuha. Naka-intercept. Garcia Morrey. 3 points. 40 seconds, time remaining. 15 on the shot clock. Carpio nakawala. Bigay kay Boyga. Boyga sa ilalim. Bigay. Again. Nakakuha. Signorin. Bigay. Garcia. What an 8 straight point coming from Garcia. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Bataliano with a crossover. Bataliano fake. Bataliano shot. Naked. 3 seconds. Garcia Orley. Again. End of the second quarter. Official score. Who's the number 9? Injured snapshot. Gabriel. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Servado for 3. No good. Rebound by Valencina. Pass to Legacy. Legacy to Garcia to Legacy. Legacy now running Siring to Siring for 3. 3 points. Alright, good now. Red. Offensive. Signorin, disabled, the juice number 12, Legacy. To Garcia for 3. Drive, juice number 6, Garcia. Aduh, ini namanya ni Garcia. Juice number 11, the press. 15 seconds on the shot clock. No good. Rebound by Valencina. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Legacy in the basketball. to Cyrilla for 3. 3 points. Para kay jersey number 5, Cyrilla. Nagasa pa at ang alaman ng Dasari. Fabio. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Fabio shot. No good. Traveling violation. Ang rapal ng referee. Legaspi. Block. Rebound by jersey number 14, Moiga. By jersey number 11, Nebres. Nebres. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nebres for 3. No good. Rebound by Valencina to Signorin. Buzzer 5, Cyrilla. Now ni Valencina. Pass na intercept ni Matoliano. Matoliano to Moiga. Shot using the glass. 2 points. Garcia, no good. Rebound by the press. To Fabio. Pass to Moiga. Fake. Using the glass. 2 points. The last ball. Legaspi. Na intersect. Gersel. Pass to Joseph 5. Fabio. Fabio fake. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 12. Nawala. Nakuha ni Fabio. No good. Now Signorin. Bumibela. Na intersect. Ni Matoliano. Shot. Sumakay ka pa. Sabi ni Matoliano. May bawi agad para at jersey number 5. Cyrilla. Kahit tabi na lang po ng aso. Bago mabangga. Jersey number 11, Nebres. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Long 2, no good. Rebound Valencina to Signorin. Masyadong magpapadala. Pass to Garcia. Pedro. No good. Rebound by Signorin. Back. Mahal offensive foul. Moiga, 12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds. Moiga. Nawala. Legaspi to Cyrilla. Cyrilla atake play by ball. 2 points. Para Junior right, Cyrilla. Nabas sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Dasmari. 62-57. Nebres. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nebres fake. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Matoliano. Pull up 2. No good. Pass to Cyrilla. Forward pass. Kay Garcia to Signorin. Using the glass. 2 points. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan ng Dasmari. Trakin niya. Put yourself right. Fabio. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Fabio, 6 seconds. 9 to set. Signorin. Attack. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by the glass. Forward pass. Kay Fabio. Pedro. Para kay Jersey. Jersey number 12. Legaspi. Babawi. No good. Jersey number 11. Nebres. Balik sa ating mga lamangan ng Dasmari. Nebres. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Ready for substitution. 10 seconds. Fabio over 3 again. Help. Jersey number 12. Legaspi to Cyrilla. For 3. No good. Nakuha ni Matoliano. Nebres. Nebres in the basketball. Pass to Matoliano. 9-6. Cyrilla to Legaspi to Cyrilla for 3. No good. Rebound by Nebres. 3 minutes And 5 seconds time remaining para sa ating third quarter. The press for three. Bam! Alright. Para sa dash for three. Babawi. Garcia no good. Rebound by jersey number 11, Negras. Negras. Ready to play. Cross. Shot. For three. 3 points. Alright. Jersey number 11, Negras. Back-to-back rebound. Oh, double foul. Double foul, followed jersey number 11, Ampatin, and jersey number 11, 13, Caldrapa. Jersey number 13, first personal foul para kay Caldrapa, and jersey number 11, Ampatin to Garcia, pull up to, no good, nakuha ni Caldrapa, jersey number 13, Legaspi, there's the whistle. Position 5. Manila, position 7. Castro for 3. Bam! Alright, position 7. Castro. Negras. Twelve seconds on the shot clock. Negras for 3. No good. Rebound by Jason 15. To Traqueña. 9 thirds. Nakuha ni Garcia. To Castro. Back to Jason number 12. Ligasi. Back to Jason 5. Fabio. 1 minute and 5 seconds time remaining. 3. Pass to Sirilla. Shot, block. Rebound by Fabio. Fabio, tumoy ka. Now that Legaspi to Castro. At the shot. 2 points. Emily. Pass to this outside. 10 seconds at the shot clock. Fabio for 2. Wow! Countdown 2. After 9%. Shot. No good. Rebound by Jason 5. 3 seconds time remaining. Carpio. Now Carpio with the ball. Carpio on the drive. Carpio pass. Drive right away. Again. Now Legaspi on the drive. Legaspi pass. Signorin fake. Signorin pass. Pass forward. Again. Sabiga na benda. Belecina. Bigger pass. Garcia overlay. Again. Castro. Whatever. 2 points. Traqueña with the ball. Traqueña on the drive. What a drive! Pinalusot pa. 2 points. Sinausaw pa. Sinausaw. Garcia. Again. Castro. 2 points. Now Carpio. Carpio with the ball. Carpio from downtown again. Nakuha ni Caldrapa. Bigay kay Traqueña. Ay Batalyan another. Batalyan drives using the glass. 2 points. Now Legaspi with the ball. Legaspi. And there's a foul. Now Castro bigay kay Garcia. Garcia bigay kay Signorin. Signorin. And there's that 15 on the shot clock. Raquel kulang ang inaman and there's a foul. Foul ng jersey number 8. Raquel, Signorin. Bigay, Lakers to Madrid. Again. Andres to the ball. Andres. Bigay, try niya na bitawan. Legazpi with the ball. Bigay kay Signorin. Natabigan. Good ball. Intercept. Legazpi. Lumipad. Again. Out of bounds. Pass to Carbio. Back to the press. Then on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. 2 on the shot clock. Carbio. Again. Makakuha ni Traqueña. Good ball. 10 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Again, fourth pass, Signorin. Easy to point para Carbio. Defended by Garcia. Carbio on the attack. Pass to Moica. Moica shot. Basket, 2 points. Legazpi with the ball. Pass to Garcia. Celestina. Main himself. The break to the ball. Right pass. Matoliano. Matoliano. Legazpi. Bigay. Serena. Basket, 2 points. Carbio bigay kay Traqueña. Traqueña back to the break. The break to Bellenbay. And there's a foul. Foul on jersey number 14, Belicina. Second personal foul. First. The break bigay. Patoliano. Pass to Carbio. 8 on the shot clock. 5. Carbio. Nice! Carbio. Signorin. Bigay kay Signorin. Pass to Legazpi for 3. Again. Out of Nebres. On the attack. Nebres fake. Nebres block. Nakuha ni Moica. Basket, 2 points. Cirilla. Block. 2 points para yung Matin. Nebres with the ball. 10 on the shot clock. Bigay, Matoliano. Matoliano sa ilalim. Legazpi with the ball. Bigay. Ang Batin. Bilang kami na ball. Foul. Counted. Basket. Any Nebres. Yes. To Moica. Moica with the ball. Moica on the drive. Moica. Good ball. Ang Batin pass to Cirilla. Cirilla pass to Legazpi pass to Castro. Castro on the drive. Pick up pass. Legazpi for 3. Nagad. Para madali mga nakuha. Signorin. And there. Basket. Nagad. Ang pass to Matoliano. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, basket. Legazpi with the ball. Pass to Cirilla. No good. Pabigan na punta kay Traqueña. Pass to Nebres. Bigay kay Traqueña. Traqueña with the ball, pass still. Carbio. Carbio. 10 on the shot clock. Carbio was raised again. Velicina, forward pass to Signorin to Cirillo. Easy 2 points. Progress with the ball. Again. Basket. 80. Last 4 minutes. Now Cirillo, double. Again. Signorin. Nakuha yung bola. Madaliano with the ball. Madaliano. Madaliano with the ball. Sabi. Bigay kay Traqueña. Traqueña. 10 on the shot clock. Nebres. Pass sa kay Carpio. 5 on the shot clock. Nebres. Again. Good ball. Makakuha Madaliano. Madaliano. Basket. Piercing the ball. Legaspi drives and makes a foul. No good, nariman ni Moica. Pass to Nebres. Nebres with the ball. Nebres. Nebres pass to Moica. 2 points. Corilla pass to Castro. Castro drives, Diggen. One Velicina, Diggen, Castro, 2 points. Pass to Legaspi. Again, 30 seconds. Congratulations! Pass the 3.
Thank you so much for watching my blog, Raw Atalawi Fitness, Health, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sport.